All right, instructions are awesome. Hardware actually looks like it's decent quality. The size of the box kind of was really impressive because I brought my truck to Best Buy and I was like, man, I'm gonna need the truck, and nope, it's gonna fit in the car. So we'll see. I mean, it's 200 bucks. This was the only one available in Best Buy. I'm sure you could order them on Amazon and other stuff, but I wanted it now, and we're gonna go put it together. All right, guys, the very first thing you need to know is get your own screwdriver. The one they give you, I mean, it's nice that they give you one. I appreciate it, but you really don't have any leverage. Once you use your own, the install starts becoming a lot easier. And look, it matches. All right, guys, I'm breathing pretty hard. So this part is a little intricate. This is where the top of it, where the the steering wheel is going to connect to. It's a little heavy. The only thing is I got to lock this down because this keeps falling apart. But I'm going to tell you right now, things are made well. The instructions are like nice. All right, guys, the chair is pretty much set up. We set up like the foot assembly where the pedals go. That was pretty easy. You just kind of connect it right there. And that connects like this whole part here. But the chair is pretty straightforward. Now I'm hooking up my little steering wheel, and that's not bad because it like clamps in the bottom so far. Haven't done the feet yet, but again, real happy about the chair. Really excited. We'll show you here once we get closer to being done. Yeah, so I put everything together and I was gonna sit on it, and when I sat on it, it just caved in. So I'm gonna try to find out what happened. But all right, everyone, so I fell earlier and it was my fault. There was a gap between here, so I didn't have this all the way tightened down. And I'm 6 feet, 210 pounds. I could bench about 220 pounds, and this is tough. So I finally got it down. Again, my fault, but you want to make sure everything is correct for your height and everything. It takes some trial and error and definitely some muscle to work this, but we're still trying to get it down, and we're about an hour and a half. So I'm sitting in here and about to play, Formula One 2024, and I'm in here. I'm 6 feet tall. I don't feel 100% comfortable, but I want to play a game first, and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, after playing for about an hour, I adjusted the pedals. I moved them all the way to the front, and definitely the pedals are a lot nicer, and got everything situated. Got the steering wheel lined up. Everything's looking good. The only thing is that, and this happens to me often, I'm not sure if I should use a cushion, but my butt was falling asleep. So, but besides that, it's a fun chair. Like, you definitely have fun, and you definitely get to do the driving experience. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie, not a bad setup at all. Like, definitely beats the controller. I mean, this really is fun compared to the controller. I had to adjust my pedals and I got them right. And the steering wheel, I'll make a whole video about the setup here, but it's all about the chair. And honestly, it's doing the job. Now, the chair's not gonna make me a better driver.